Okay, please claim your ID here. Thank you so much, Pedro. Here we go, we are inside, guys, showing you how we feed crocodiles. Alam niyo ba yung mga buhaya can able to run up to 14 kilometers per hour in just a short time. Pag nasa tubig sila, napakabilis, they are able to swim up to 18 miles per hour in just a short burst. Ayan po, kaya kung nasa tubig po kayo, nasa body of water, na huwag na po kayo kumasag na buhay pa. Pero kung nasa land area lang po kayo, pag hinahabol kayo ng buhay, you don't have to worry about that. Hindi kayo maaabutan ng mga crocodiles.
Nakakakamay mo dyan.
Ayan, takbo lang kayo ng takbo. Sigurado akong hindi kayo maaabutan. Okay, back in the wild, na ginagawa ng mga crocodiles sa paghahalis ng mga crocodiles. Ang good side na nalalaman. That's what we are opportunistic predators. Ayan, yan, pagdating natin yung layer nila here.
Yan na! Yan na, doon tayo sa kabila.
Going outwards toward their popular hunting behavior. Now, this time, kailangan namin ulit ng volunteers from you. Papasok din po dyan sa loob ng kulungan.